Real phantom, boy. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DJ Roberto, the international bad boy, back with another video. Even though it's a little getting cold over here, you know we gotta still stay warm and safe. You know that, right? So I got another video. Went out there and check out this new sound that is coming out. You know, it's out there making a little noise. I want you guys to see them and tell me what you guys think. They're called Blacc Influence Sound. So check them out. And remember, if you like my video, please share, subscribe to my channel, you know, and log on to it so you get the notification when I get some more videos. But enough of that, let's go straight into the video. Have a blessed day.
National Bad Boy of Panama.
Yeah. The new song, man. I'm excited. Just speak it out.
Black influence sound, you represent the father Pulu. So it's a DJ Pulu, that's a most you should that one. Should, you understand? If you don't like the man, you do it. Every time I DJ Pulu, see?
Cover those speakers up.
It's so when you come and you say that, and it don't punch already too.
Yes, I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please share it, subscribe to my channel, you know, hit the notification, so when I put up more video, you'll be the first ones to know it. So like I said, thank you, and once again, thank you for all my subscribers subscribing to my channel, and remember, be safe. Peace.